All units.
Avalanche protocol activated. Multiple hikers trapped at Sector 7. We deploy in 90 seconds.
Medical kit secured. Ready for immediate triage.
All systems online. Thermal detection at full capacity.
Approaching avalanche zone.
Winds at 45 knots. Stand by for tactical deployment.
All clear! Life sign detected. Strong thermal signature, 2 meters down, northwest quadrant.
Medical standby, now!
My friend, there's another. Deeper down, please.
We have a second victim. Expand search pattern. Every second counts.
Scanning deeper layers, boosting detection range.
Bruno's right. Strong heat signature confirmed. 3 meters deep. Easy now. Preserve the air pocket. We are almost there.
Pulse weak but present.
Severe hypothermia. We need to move him now.
Steady! Steady! Keep it smooth. His condition is critical.
Male patient critical hypothermia. Female patient stable. Both need immediate hospital transport.
Good job, team! Perfect execution, team. 2 lives saved today, because you are the best at what you do.
You didn't give up on us. You saved our lives. We can never thank you enough.
It's what we do. Just promise you'll be more careful out there.
Avalanche protocol saves lives. Speed matters, but precision matters more. Every action must be calculated.
Hypothermia victims need gradual warming. Too fast causes shock. Remember that, Mo. It could save someone's life.
Excellent work. You've proven you understand Avalanche protocol. Now you're ready to save lives.
You are now guardians of the mountain. When others are in danger, you are their hope. Wear this patch with honor.
Every mountain holds someone's story. When they need us, we answer. That's Avalanche protocol. That's who we are. Ready?
R.E. Eddie.